Hey everybody, I noticed a lot of videos today. Haven't been working too much today or sleeping, so it's plenty of time to kill. So we got two more of these 1100s left to go through. I should have 6 more next week that I'm looking forward to getting because I really enjoy picking these. I don't know if anybody else is enjoying or looking forward to me getting them, but wow, that one opened super easy. So I think the last one was one of the more difficult ones I've had out of this batch, and this one was, wow, that's probably the easiest one. Almost forgot my pinning tray. Somebody actually asked me once why I use pinning tray on top of a pinning mat and whatever, and the reason is actually it's based on being lazy is what it is. Because I don't always put these back together right away, and so pinning tray, just move it out of the way and pick another lock without having to put it back together, to get it out of the way. So there's the bidding on this one. No wonder that opens so easy. It's I don't know what that is, like probably like 8.6 or 8.5, and then 8.77. I'll look it up and I'll put it in the video like I did on my last one. Basically, all these key pins are so long that even if there is spools in here, you would never feel them because they the actual spool part of the pin, or the actual serrated part of the pins, or for that matter, are going to be past the shear line. Because the key pins are so long. Alright, so just get these out quick here. That's 3, 2 didn't come out. There's 2, 4, and 5. So yeah, springs out here. So it looks like 1 and 5 are spools, and then 2, 3, and 4 were serrated. But like I said, the key pins are all so long that the spools and stuff aren't not going to come into play. So we got on this one here, and I've got a video demonstrating what I'm talking about with the long key pins, but I'll show you real quick anyway because this went fast. So number 1 here is it's definitely going to be an 8 cut. I'd be surprised if it's not. And I think these two are 7 cuts on 4 and 5, but number 1's an 8 cut. See how long it is here. So you see with the key in, with that shear with the key out. I can actually get it to focus here. So there's no key in it, and you see it's basically at the shear line, or just a hair below it. It's like you barely can even tell if the key's in it or not. So if you take a spool pin, and I'm not even going to be able to get this to stay. See, it's in there. But the actual spool, part of the pin is already past the shear line, so you would never feel it as a spool pin. And it's pretty much the same thing with the serrated pin. The serrations would be above the shear line as well. So that's why you don't notice them in American locks when the key pins are so long. So anyway, that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.